Hello everyone. In this video, we explain why Tradingview chart data might not be moving and how to fix it so our charts update in real time. When we open a chart and it looks frozen, it can be frustrating, especially when we want to track live price action or follow trades as the market moves. Usually, this happens because of plan limitations. On Tradingview, free accounts have delayed data for certain markets. For example, many stock exchanges, indices, and futures only update every 15 to 20 minutes on a free plan. Crypto and some Forex pairs usually update in real time, but traditional markets are often delayed unless we upgrade. So if our chart appears frozen, it's not a bug. It's just how the free plan works. Tradingview shows delayed data to free users, which is why we might not see price changes, even though the market is moving. Let's see how we can fix it. There are two main options. Option 1, upgrade our plan. Tradingview has 4 paid plans: Essential, Plus, Premium, and Ultimate. Paid plans unlock real-time data for many exchanges. This means our charts update instantly as the market moves. Paid plans also give us more indicators, more saved layouts, and more alerts. For example, if we trade stocks on NYSE or NASDAQ, upgrading to any paid plan gives us real-time updates. Futures, indices, and other professional markets also need a paid plan for live data. Upgrading is the most reliable way to keep our charts moving and our trading accurate. Option 2, use the 7-day free trial. Tradingview offers a 7-day free trial on any paid plan. This is a good way to try real-time charts and faster updates without paying upfront. We can test which plan fits our trading style, see which markets we trade most, and decide if a paid subscription is worth it. Here are a few extra tips to keep our charts running smoothly. Always check our market type. Crypto is usually real-time on a free plan, but stocks, futures, and indices are often delayed. Look for the delayed icon in our chart. This shows our data is not updating in real time. We should also make sure our internet connection is stable because slow updates can look like frozen charts, even with a paid plan. To recap, if our Tradingview chart isn't moving, it's usually because of data restrictions on the free plan. To fix this, we can upgrade our plan or use the 7-day free trial for real-time data access. Once we do this, our charts will update instantly, giving us a smoother, more accurate trading experience. Keeping our charts real-time is important if we want to trade actively and make decisions based on the latest price action. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Tradingview guides and tips. See you in the next one.